Hey guys, Amy here from Autism Lion. So the boys are working out in the shop today. Scott and Carter, my youngest, are out in the garage, their workshop, and I'm gonna go see what they're doing. Scott makes a lot of really cool woodwork stuff, but one of the coolest things that he makes are flags, American flags, all different kinds of flags, and it's pretty awesome. So anyway, I just thought that I would, you can hear Eli in the background, that I would go check on them and show you another little side of our family. So let's go ahead. We actually have gotten some of our Christmas stuff down already. Scott decided to surprise me this morning and kind of start taking it down, which I was a little sad, but that's okay. And yeah, see, he has it all right here to go into storage. But let's go see what they're doing. Hi, Carter. Have you been doing some woodwork?
I've been doing the drill press over there.
You've been working on the drill press?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Hi, babe.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm making my plan for the United States of America.
Has Carter been a big help out here?
I'm pretty sure I'm violating some hazard. I'm not.
It
being
looks
as safe
like
as
it.
possible.
So this is kind of the start of the flag. This is a wavy flag that he does.
Happy New Year's, everybody. This is
Almost.
2019.
Yeah, almost. Last day. So this is an unfinished wavy flag that Scott has been working on.
Yeah, it's wavy. No, wait. No, wait. Wait.
What are you making here, honey?
Mom, did you take
I'm making
all
a
my
plant. I'm making kind of a press for the flags that I make.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Is that, you mean so that like you can put them together and glue them
Yeah,
together?
that's the jig.
Well, how
Hold
about I
them
just
together.
do a little demonstration?
Okay.
Okay, so I already have my stripes cut out.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a jig, is all it is. So you put your 1.5 inch furring strips in. Once they've been cut to length, they just slide right into the pocket here.
So how long is this flag going to be?
13 stripes long.
And how many stripes are there?
There's 13.
13 stripes. So you see this here? This is this board right here,
Mm-hmm.
and like this one and this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you look here, I've got these T-nuts, and what's going to do is, this is going to sit here like this, right? So I'm going to take these brackets and put them like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
On both sides, so that it goes like this, right?
Oh, okay.
And so when
yeah.
it closes, what this is going to do is, see that down there?
Yeah.
So you can tighten this and it'll clamp this thing down.
Oh my gosh, that's so smart.
And it'll clamp these flat
That's
for the
awesome.
gluing process.
So then you can glue them together and they'll be smooth and even
Mm-hmm. And flat.
and flat. That's so cool.
Yeah.
So are you planning on getting, how far do you think you'll get with the flag today?
Today I'm just really setting up this jig and then
I drilled the
cutting
holes
out
in this.
those boards there for that. So I'm gonna have a total of 4 flags ready,
Mom, look, I drilled the holes in this.
and then possibly all 4 of them be done tomorrow.
You did that?
Yeah.
You drilled those holes?
Oh yeah,
all 4.
Carter drilled all the holes.
Oh my gosh, Car.
Oh yeah.
Great job. Do you like working out here with Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome. Keep up the work. Good work, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.